So let's pack for my Umrah trip. That was the tripod. But anyway, I got everything here. I'm gonna pack my duffel bag. I do have a bigger luggage, but you know. All right, I got a couple of abayas, and then these are like those jilbabs, if you know what I'm talking about. We got some socks, we got some leggings. Yep. I might have to reduce some of these for real. I'm not a very fold person when I'm packing for some reason. Like I'll fold stuff, but not when I'm traveling. I got these extra shoes in case I need like clean shoes. I heard something like you're gonna need some clean shoes when you're doing the Safa and Marwa. I'm not sure, but I have extra pair of shoes. Some hijabs for my abayas. And then I got some bunch of stuff that I consider essential. Like the handheld fan. And this even gonna close. Goodness. I might have to reduce a few things. Probably more abayas. Alright, we got umbrella. Because it's super hot. We got some hot and cold for our feet when they start hurting. I got snacks. I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay. We got tissue, of course. Unscented deodorant because I don't even know why that's not in here. This case has all my, it has my skincare, my body care. I'm just taking a small thingy of Vaseline, and let me just show you guys. Deodorant, medication, toothpaste. I feel like I need to get a different toothpaste because I think this might be scent, like, you know, like has like a scent. I got my, you know, my gloves. This is my bar soap. This is unscented bar soap. I believe it's the Dr. Bronner's. I got my sunscreen, of course, the Vaseline. This is gonna go on my body and my face. Some vitamin C. We got some hijab pins. Maka, you can talk, it's fine.
I said I think it's that.
And then I have, of course, the scissors to cut our hair and my face wash.
Why do you have to cut your hair?
You just gotta trim it. Okay, we're not cutting our hair. We're trimming our hair. My goodness. Every time I say that, somebody's like, "You're cutting your hair?" No.
But you work so hard to let it grow.
Huh?
You work so hard to let it grow.
I know. It's okay. For the sake of Allah, we would do it all. Okay, and then this has my passport and everything else. I also got some sunglasses for the grandmas because, you know, I know they have sensitive eyes and I don't want them to like suffer. And then I got my own chargers.
Oh, you packed a lot. You overpacked.
I overpack. I'm an overpacker.
I think some of the stuff that you packed is gonna be over there. I mean, Mama, you're going to June.
This is the duffel bag.
You're going to a hotel, right?
Huh?
You're going to a hotel,
and this book,
right?
This right here is gonna have all my du'as and my Umrah, like specific what you're supposed to do. That's it. That's all I'm packing in my Umrah.
Mama, are you guys going to
that
a
does
hotel?
not include the big bag. I have a whole we're going for 10 days, like, and I'm just thinking about the heat. I don't want to run out of clothes, and I don't know if I'll have like the time to like wash clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna be busy,
Mama,
doing worship. Okay, all right.
How much snacks are in there?
Don't worry about the stain at the bottom.